Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. If you love a vibrant, satisfying dinner that doesn't keep you in the kitchen all evening, then chicken scampi with angel hair pasta is your answer. This dish is famed for its quick cooking time and incredibly bright flavor profile. It's a weeknight hero. Imagine tender chicken pieces swimming in a bright, zesty garlic butter sauce, perfectly tossed with delicate angel hair pasta. It's a much lighter take on Italian-American classics, offering maximum taste without feeling heavy. We're providing you with a foolproof 30-minute recipe that delivers restaurant-quality results right at home. You'll get all the insider tips for achieving a perfect scampi sauce and the best texture for your chicken. Get ready to master this simple, elegant recipe. You won't believe how easy it is to make something this good. Mastering the key ingredients for amazing chicken scampi. Creating truly great chicken scampi starts long before the pan hits the heat. The excellence of this dish relies entirely on selecting the right core components. Everything from the cut of chicken to the quality of your butter matters deeply. When you focus on maximizing the flavor and texture of these essential building blocks, the 30-minute cooking process becomes simple and satisfying. Choosing the right chicken, tender and juicy every time. For scampi, we want chicken that cooks ultra-fast but stays moist and tender, easily absorbing the bright garlic sauce. You have two excellent options here: boneless, skinless chicken breasts or thighs. Chicken breasts. These are generally the preferred choice for scampi because they cook quickly and maintain a white, lean profile. The key to success with breasts is ensuring they are cut uniformly. Chicken thighs. Thighs offer richer flavor and are more forgiving if accidentally overcooked. They are naturally juicier because of their slightly higher fat content. Regardless of your choice, preparation is vital for quick cooking. Slice the chicken thinly, aiming for pieces about 1/4 inch thick. This ensures they cook thoroughly and evenly in the time it takes to toast the garlic. Tips for ensuring tender chicken: uniform slicing. Cut the chicken against the grain into thin slices or bite-sized medallions. Uniform pieces cook at the same rate, preventing some pieces from drying out while others finish cooking. Browning first. Sear the chicken pieces quickly in oil before adding any other sauce ingredients. This builds a flavorful crust and locks in moisture. Do not crowd the pan. If you are making a large batch, cook the chicken in 2 separate batches. Crowding the pan lowers the temperature and causes the chicken to steam instead of sear. The angel hair advantage. Why this pasta works best. Chicken scampi sauce is light, bright, and highly flavorful. It is not a heavy, viscous sauce like Alfredo or marinara. Consequently, it requires a delicate pasta that can be coated well without overwhelming the dish. Enter angel hair pasta, or capellini. The extremely thin strands of angel hair are the perfect match for the thin, glistening scampi sauce. It provides enough surface area to catch the butter and garlic without turning the dish into a dense, starchy meal. Using thicker pasta, such as linguine or fettuccine, can make the final result feel heavy and throw off the sauce to pasta ratio. To achieve the best texture for this dish, always aim for perfectly al dente pasta. Cooking angel hair. Because it is so thin, angel hair cooks incredibly fast, often in 4 minutes or less. Start checking it about 2 minutes before the package suggests. It should offer a slight resistance when you bite it. The secret ingredient: pasta water. Before draining your pasta, use a mug to reserve about 1 cup of the starchy cooking water. This cloudier water contains starch that, when added to the scampi sauce later, helps emulsify the fat and liquid, creating a rich, glossy coating that makes the sauce stick perfectly to the chicken and pasta. Building the scampi sauce: garlic, butter, and lemon power. The scampi sauce itself is a study in simplicity, relying entirely on the quality and technique of handling 4 key ingredients. This isn't a complex, long-simmered sauce. It's vibrant and fresh. Fresh garlic. Use plenty, but mince it finely. Scampi is defined by its pronounced garlic flavor. However, the biggest mistake people make is burning the garlic. Keep your heat at medium to low when sautéing the garlic, moving it constantly until fragrant, which typically takes less than 60 seconds. Never let it turn brown, as this produces a bitter taste. Dry white wine. A small amount of dry white wine, like Pinot Grigio or Sauvignon Blanc, adds essential acidity and depth when deglazing the pan. The alcohol cooks off, leaving a complex flavor. If you prefer to skip the wine, an equal amount of low-sodium chicken broth works as a superb substitute. Fresh lemon juice. This is non-negotiable. Bottled lemon juice lacks the bright pop needed for true scampi. Freshly squeezed lemon juice, added at the very end, brightens the entire dish, cutting through the richness of the butter. Fresh herbs. Fresh parsley, flat-leaf Italian parsley is best, provides color and a clean, herbaceous finish. Stir it in right before serving to maintain its vibrancy. By respecting the subtle, powerful interaction of these ingredients, you guarantee a scampi sauce that is light, aromatic, and perfectly balanced. Step by step, cooking perfect chicken scampi with angel hair. Now that we have the ingredients ready to go, the actual cooking process for chicken scampi is incredibly fast. This guide breaks down the process into 3 simple stages. Follow these steps precisely to achieve that rich, glossy sauce and perfectly cooked chicken in record time. Remember, the key to this 30-minute recipe is having everything prepped before you start. Preparing and searing the chicken for golden color. The foundation of flavor for this dish starts with properly searing the chicken. This step builds fond, the caramelized bit stuck to the bottom of the pan, which adds incredible depth to the final sauce. Season lightly. Take your thinly sliced chicken pieces and pat them dry with paper towels. Drying the chicken ensures a better sear. Season them simply with salt and freshly cracked black pepper. Do not over-season yet, as the sauce will add its own layers of salt. Heat the pan. Use a wide skillet. A 12-inch pan is ideal, over medium-high heat. Add 2 tablespoons of high smoke point oil, like olive oil or avocado oil. The oil should shimmer but not smoke too heavily before you add the chicken. Quick sear. Place the chicken pieces into the hot oil in a single layer. Remember the rule, do not crowd the pan. Cook the chicken for 2 to 3 minutes per side. You are looking for a beautiful golden brown crust. The chicken should be mostly cooked through, but still slightly underdone. It will finish cooking in the sauce later. Set aside. Once the chicken is golden, immediately remove it from the skillet and transfer it to a clean plate. Do not wipe out the pan. Those brown bits are crucial for the scampi flavor. Stay tuned for part 2. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe.